Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll be showing you how traders can actually get up to 100% cashback on their trading fees through IC Markets Backcom. If you've been trading for a while, you know how much fees can eat into your profits. And that's exactly why this rebate program exists. It's a legit, transparent way to help you save money and make your trades more profitable. Let's dive in and see how it works. IC Markets pays rebates in two ways, either as a spread discount or cash rebate sent straight to your bank account. Both standard and raw spread accounts are eligible, and your rebate depends on how much you trade. The process is automatic, transparent, and simple to use. You can choose between two payout options: monthly bank transfer for a full 100% rebate, $2 per lot on raw spread, $4 on standard, or instant spread discount for a 75% rebate. Most traders go with the first one since it gives the highest return, making Backcom one of the easiest ways to cut costs and boost profits on IC markets. If you already have an IC markets account that isn't linked to any IB, don't worry. You can easily connect it to financesalutes.com's IB code to start receiving cashback rebates. First, contact the financesalutes.com support team via WhatsApp to check whether your account is currently linked to an IB. If it's not, you can move on to the next step. But if your account is already connected to another IB, you'll need to follow the second case, which we'll cover later. Next, just send an email to the address provided in the video description with the subject line "Connect my account to IB" and a short message asking them to link your account. Once the email is sent, message the same WhatsApp number again and provide your registered IC Markets email, MT4/MT5 account ID, and bank account information so they can process your rebate payments. It's quick, simple, and ensures your existing IC Markets account starts earning cashback right away. If you don't have an IC Markets account yet, you can easily create one that's already linked to financesalutes.com's IB code so you can start receiving your cashback rebates. First, visit the registration link provided in the video description and click Start Trading Now. Fill in your personal details as required, and in the Referral ID field, make sure the IB code is entered. If you register through the link, this code will be filled in automatically. Then just continue completing the registration form as usual. Once your account is created, head to the IC Markets personal area to complete the KYC verification process. After that, send a message to WhatsApp to confirm that Finance Salutes has been successfully linked to your account, and share your bank details so you can receive your monthly rebate payments directly. The setup process is quick, and you only need to do it once to enjoy lifetime cashback rewards. After your account is verified, deposit your trading funds and start trading as normal. Your 100% Backcom rebates will be automatically applied under the financesalutes.com partnership. If you have any issues or questions during setup, just contact financesalutes.com through WhatsApp or their official Telegram channel. The IC Markets Backcom program is a simple yet powerful way to reduce trading costs while ensuring consistent, transparent rebate payments that boost your long-term profits. So that's how you can easily connect your IC Markets account to financesalutes.com and start earning up to 100% cashback on your trades. It's fast, secure, and a smart way to cut your trading costs while keeping more profit in your pocket. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your trading friends so they can save more too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.